Chance, choice, change. Every opportunity begins with a chance, a moment that invites us to step out of our comfort zone. Life constantly offers us chances, but it is up to us to see them and act. Without taking a chance, we stay in the same place, letting life pass us by. When we take a chance, we are faced with a choice, a decision that points us toward a new way of living. The choices we make decide which road we walk on and what future we create. Each choice moves us either closer to the life we want or keep us stuck where we are. And when we take a chance and make a choice, change comes. Change is the result of our bravery, the sign that we are growing and moving forward. It may feel scary at times, but it is the only way to reach our dreams and become the person we are meant to be. Chance is the opportunity. Choice is the decision, and change is the result. So, are you ready to take a chance, make a choice, and welcome the change? If you are, please comment down below this video. I wanna hear from you.